How to download the Zoom app on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download the Zoom app on your Windows device. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First of all, simply search for Zoom download on your web browser. After you search for it, you'll see the download center for just Zoom apps and plugins. So simply tap on it and you'll get redirected to zoom.os/download. After you're there, simply scroll down and you'll see Zoom Workplace for Windows. Now from here, simply select the one that is most suited for you. I'll be downloading the Zoom 64-bit. Simply tap on it and it will start downloading. Now as you can see, it does not really take a lot of time. It depends on your internet speed. After you download it, you'll simply need to open this up and start setting it up. Now, since my device already has Zoom, there isn't going to be any long process. So it will simply start installing and you need to give it a few settings here and there and you're basically good to go. So as you can see, the Zoom has started working already. And that is how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.